Welcome back to Adventures in Retrocomputing. This time I got a very nice surprise. Got myself a beautiful Bell & Howell computer. This is an Apple II compatible, an Apple II just black that was sold for educational market. And knowing me, the first thing I did was looking at the keys and they were yellow. So guess what? We're gonna Retrobrite a Bell & Howell Darth Vader. Let's start. Hi, I just got a beautiful Bell & Howell computer and I noticed that the keys are a little bit yellow. So I'm been experimenting with retrobriting black keys, believe it or not. And look at the difference. To the left, it's the original yellow colored one. And to the right, it's the retrobrited one. So you can see the difference. It's not much, but it's enough to see that the original keys are not yellow. So I'm gonna be retrobriting them. And this is a special kind of retrobrite. And I'm painting just the text with Retrobrite because I don't want to affect anything else. I don't want to affect the rest of the key. I just want to make sure that it's, so as you can see, I'm making a very small Retrobrite and I'm just painting the character itself. Leave it in the sun and let's see what happens. And here we are. We can see after the nice treatment, the result is a lot lighter keys. And we can see that it's also very clean and clear. So there we go. Beautiful, lighter, and actually they're a nice creamy color. Hope you like it. See you next time. Welcome back to Adventures in Retrocomputer. Welcome back to Adventures in